Welcome to Lux Violet. Here you can see that on my screen. Their beautiful logo is available on screen, guys. That is Lux Violet. And guys, this is engagement basically with AI experience elite luxury. And guys, this is here you can check out their pre-sale is start now after 8 days, 13 hours, 3 minutes and 16 seconds. So guys, you have to don't miss this golden opportunity. You have to must join this awesome platform, guys. And before starting the further video, I want to say that I am not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment, guys. Here you can check out our white paper is coming soon, and there will be and our token soon will be you can purchase at this. And guys, as I have described you, after 8 days, 13 hours, our pre-sale will be started, guys. And guys, here I will explain you what are the basically benefits of Lux Violet, because it's where elite luxury meets innovation. And guys, this is very exclusive access, and basically it's a revolutionary AI platform, guys. And this is the robust security, and there is no unmatched security, ensuring your lifestyle investment as safe as they are lavish. So this is totally completely safe. You have to don't worry. You can easily invest there, guys. And you can also join the Elite Lux Violet Club too. Here you can get your membership at this club on exclusive privilege, and we offer a first class access to hidden luxuries, private events, and also elite services here are available. So guys, you have to just make a members for of Lux Violet Club, and you can also get both of the vast and bespoke also can get benefits both of them from this. And guys, this is the basically Lux Violet token. Here you can check out. This is not just a cryptocurrency, it's your gateway to a lifestyle previously unattainable, and it's born from the desire to merge the world of luxury with blockchain technology. Lux Violet basically opens the doors to bespoke experiences, elite services, and also unparalleled access to a life of affluence, guys. As well as we evolve, the Lux Violet token will be backed by a profit flow of community-owned access to, guys. And guys, here you can check out amount of investment is 1000 USDT, and token receive will be 10,000 here. You can see on my screen, guys, and this is the our project ROIO. Here you can check out. And guys, this is the expected return of launch Ethereum, which is 0.42 and will be 4.24. Here you can also see. So guys, you have to just investment could be worth of your 10,000, and token growth back will be by real assessed, guys. And you can also exclusive access to Alex Violet Club also. And guys, this is our exclusive roadmap, which is divided into phases. Basically, we have to create a liquidity pool, and also we have to represent our public launch. Then we have to also do our grow our community. And guys, these are the also our of the partners: GitHub, PingX, Adobe, OpenAI, Gemini, and also others. These are all of the our partners. And guys, you have to don't miss this. This is the word of luxury awaits. Secure your Lux Violet token today to unlock a lifestyle design just for you. Limited availability. Act now to ensure your place among the elite. And guys, you can invest with BTC also. You can also invest with Ethereum. And guys, most important thing, you can also invest by your bank transfer. This will be all of will be soon, guys, coming soon just. And you can also invest with UXC too. And these are our partners, that is Arrowvest and Pinnacle Tribe, which are this driving this project, guys. And these are the very exclusive partners of ours of Lux Violet. And this is the press release on achieve.com, and also the at the also the headline of in the read more. Here you can read more, and these are the all of the questions where you can get all your answers. What is Lux Violet? How you can purchase? And which is here you can also ask all of these of the questions. And guys, you have to must invite our all of the social medias account. Like this is our Telegram community. Here you can see our subscribers, and you have to must join this. You have to increase our community boost up, guys. This is our community. And guys, this is our Twitter official account. Here you can see that what you have to do. I am following here. You have to must follow this, guys. And guys, you have to must follow this. This is basically AI powered legacy crypto tokens and invitation only member club redefining affiliates with blockchains. Here you can get out also our of the official links of Flux Wallet here. And guys, here you can see that our pre-sale will start on 1st November. So you have to not miss. There is a very limited spot, so guys, for you, and this will gain an X potential on it, guys. So you have to secure your Lux Wallet token, and this is on pink sale with a target launch price of $1. So you have to not miss this, guys. You have to must invite your family and friends on this awesome platform, guys. So guys, you have to don't miss this golden opportunity. I hope you like my video. See you next video. Thanks for watching.